In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Bendigo Bank app not working. So if Bendigo Bank application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, you should be able to use the Bendigo Bank application. But if your app is still not working, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Now what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Bendigo Bank. You'll be able to see the results over here. Over here you'll be able to find the application for Bendigo Bank. Tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and your application will be updated. After you do that, the bugs of the app should be fixed and you should be able to use the app. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for Bendigo Bank and long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of the app will be cleared. So like this you'll be able to fix your problem. But sometimes your problem might not be fixed after clearing the cache too. So in that case, what you have to do is simply uninstall the Bendigo Bank application and install it again. After that, your problem will surely be fixed. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button, or you can also scroll down from the top of your app. Now what you have to do is tap on the power icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now over here you'll be able to find various options. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your app should start working. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Bendigo Bank app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.